So you want to build your own chatbot? What if I tell you that you can do that with just one command? Of course, with the help of RASA OpenSource. But before that, make sure you have completed the installation of RASA, an open source chatbot framework. And once you're done, you're ready to move on. Now, using the simple command RASA init no prompt, you can create your own basic chatbot. This command will initialize the chatbot with default prompts and default pre-made training data. After it's done training, you can converse with your chatbot, your basic chatbot, using the command RASA shell. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully built your own chatbot using RASA open source tools and a single line of code. How amazing is that? If you want to learn more about the concepts and inner working behind this command, check out my channel, where I have a detailed video explaining this all.